People are making thousands of dollars on TikTok's rewards program, and you guys can do the same. You might have seen these videos. They've been going super viral on TikTok. They've been getting millions of views, and they are a minute long, meaning that the creator is getting paid on their views. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you guys can create videos just like these for free, so stick around. And you can also post these kinds of videos on YouTube, Pinterest, or Instagram. First, we're going to go on ChatGPT. So basically take a screenshot of the video, like the specific scene, and then we're going to just tell ChatGPT to describe the picture in detail so I can create images. Here is the image prompt. Now we're going to tell ChatGPT to create more image prompts in different settings such as Candyland. And here are the image prompts. All we need to do is just copy one of them, whatever you like, and then we're going to paste it. And now we're going to go on Leonardo AI and then click on Create Image. And then we're going to paste our image prompt that we created on ChatGPT. And this is an important step. Make sure to click on Leonardo Phoenix 1.0 or the fine-tuned model. And for the image dimensions, make sure you click on 9:16. And then we're going to click on Generate. Keep in mind, Leonardo AI does give you 150 free daily tokens that you guys can use to create your images and videos, so definitely take advantage of them. And here's how our picture looks like. And to convert this picture into a video, we're going to click on Motion, and then we're going to keep the motion strength to 3. You can do whatever you like, and then we're going to click on Generate. Here's how our video looks like. I don't know why it's glitching, but I'm going to create a new video. So once you download your video, you're going to have the Leonardo AI watermark, so we're going to remove it in our camera roll. Now go on CapCut and put all of the pictures and videos that you created on Leonardo AI, and then you can also put different transitions in between your videos and pictures to increase the audience's retention rate. And once you're done, you're going to click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner to download your video. And now you're ready to post, and thanks for watching!